Hey guys, what's up? This is Radar Charun and welcome to my channel. Hope you start thinking towards your health and environment, and if you are new to this channel, considering subscribe. Yes guys, that is true that I have sold my Tribe 100. After 1 year and ridden 9000 km, I have sold the same. But now the question came into your mind is why? So the answer is this: Tribe 540. Let me tell you one thing guys, if you want to live with time, then you have to upgrade accordingly. That's why I have upgraded myself from Tribe 100 to Tribe 540. There is no doubt that Tribe 100 is a very good beginner's bike, and if you want to come into the road bike family and wish to ride any road bike easily, then Tribe 100 is best entry level choice because of its frame geometry. After ridden Tribe 100 for last 1 year, my upgradation was quite clear that I want more lightweight, smooth gear systems, integrated shifters, thinner tires, carbon fork, etc. And of course, very soon I'll review Tribe 540 as well and share my experience. So today onwards, my journey will start from this bike. So that's it for now guys. This is Radar Charun signing off.